In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Goat Simulator 3 split screen on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Goat Simulator 3 on the Xbox features split screen. So all that you have to do is connect an additional controller. So you will have the controller for player 1 already connected when you open the game. And now you can connect a secondary controller for player 2. You can do this using a cable, so you plug one end of the cable into the controller and the other one into the Xbox console, or if you prefer, you can connect it wirelessly. So you press the connect button on the console itself, and then the same connect button on the controller. Then you place them in close proximity, and they should pair themselves up wirelessly. After this is done, it is important to add a user to that controller. Even if you add it as a guest, that's okay, but a user account should be set up. If that doesn't happen right away, press the Xbox button, and then you will be able to set up a user account. Once this is done, if you look at the home screen, you will see this option here. Hold X or another button to join it. So all that you have to do now is press the respective button, and immediately player 2 will land from the sky. Now you can connect 2 additional controllers, or only one more, depending on how many people you want to have, or you can start the game with only 2 players. It doesn't matter. You can choose between 2 to 4 players. So just connect additional controllers if needed. In this example here, I'm showing a screenshot of it being done on PC between a keyboard and a controller, but of course you can do this using 2 controllers exclusively on an Xbox console. If this message doesn't appear, then you can try restarting the game, going offline, and if it's still not showing up, in extreme cases you might have to reinstall the game altogether. Regardless, once you load in and you choose continue or you start a new game, you will see player 2 and player 1 here sharing the screen. So it is simple to do, and it is going to be supported on all platforms. I hope I was able to help you. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.